Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to have you back. I hope you're doing well as always. And we're going to get right into this. As you know, we're doing the 22-inch body wave. This is after I have washed it. I did dye it black. There was not a lot of gray hairs in this hair. I can say that. It was just a few. You could like literally just pluck them out if you want to. But as you know, I like to dye my hair jet black. So I went ahead and did that. I also bleached the knots. So we're going to go ahead and just install this. I'm not going to do much talking today. Yeah, and then I'll come back in the end with my final thoughts. This is the final look. I think this is a cute little install for every day. Very quick. The closure on this wig is very, very nice. Not bleached so well, and it does come pre-plucked, so if you're not experienced and you want to just wear it the way that it comes, I think it looks really good. Again, this hair was a natural black with a very few light hairs, just a few gray hairs in the top, like in the closure part. You can easily pluck those out if you don't want to go through the trouble of dyeing this hair. They were very minimal, and I feel like the thickness of this hair is very much so on the natural side, 150 density. But it's not too thin. It's just really giving, this is growing out of my scalp thickness, you know. Again, nothing is wrong with this. Great price, and there you have it. I don't think that there's anything else to say. The size of the cap is really good. It's not too loose or too big. It's a regular size cap. I do have my adjustable straps latched, so I wouldn't say that it's too small. And the ear tabs are in the right place. Sometimes you get these wigs and they're too long, or you know, something like that, but these are fitting in a good place. So if the wind blows, no problems, no discomfort around my ears, which is great. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, you guys. Let's try to hit like 1,000 before the year's out is my goal. Do not forget to like this video, comment, share, hit the bell so you know when I'm putting up new videos on affordable hair. And that is all, you guys. Until next time, stay sweet.